Is it possible to sharpen this using this? Yes, it is, as long as you've also got this. Grab your 800 grit sandpaper and cut a small square. Then simply wrap that square of sandpaper around your chopstick. Now when you look at your bread knife, you'll notice that both sides are a little different. One side is completely flat, and the other side, the scallops dip towards the edge. When we sharpen, we want to sharpen on the side where the scallops dip towards the edge. Now you're going to take your piece of sandpaper wrapped around your chopstick and you're going to place it inside the first scallop at an angle that roughly matches the angle that the scallop dives down at. And you're simply going to go back and forth a few times and then move on to the next scallop. Okay, now that you've finished sharpening each of those scallops, I want you to take your knife and turn it around, then put your thumb under the blade. Now with your 4 fingers, I want you to push towards the edge. You should be able to feel something grabbing at the edge, just like a little lip. That's the burr. So at this point, we have to remove the burr for the knife to be fully sharpened. Now, the way we do that is by using our sandpaper and very lightly brushing it up against the edge of the knife to remove that burr. That's it. Once you've removed the burr, you are done sharpening. Now all you need to do is test your knife for sharpness.